Well, this is the Cat 350L, the same one I showed you earlier working. We're going to take a look at it now, close. Yeah, that's what it looks like underneath it. It's a big machine. Let's have a look at these track chains. They look about D8 size. Triple Grouser pads. Car body, how thick it is. It's about 1.5 inches thick. There's 350L. Look at the tracks. So look at it from the other side. Boom lift cylinders. Drive motors, final drives. Here's the data plate right here. Let's see, what's it say? 350L, 51,300 kilograms, 113,000 pounds. Look at the bucket here. You can see how abrasive concrete is, but there's a lot of wear on it. Look at that. Bucket cylinder. Oh, they even greased it today. And there you have it, the Cat 350L.